when you have an object like that and you need to delete or you need to cut a simple segment or a single segment, just suppose here you need to cut. So how will do that? If you select here and if you click delete, just see every part have been deleted. So if I go back, now if you need to delete that portion only, then we can use a simple command name trim, trim, trim. So here just see they have option trim and they have option extend. So we will click here trim, and after clicking here simply click enter again and then just come here and see you can now trim it. You can now trim it in this way. Or if you need to trim here, then you can trim it. Or if you need to trim it here, then you can trim it. So in this way you are able to trim it. And at the time of trimming, you may face a problem if you are using the lower version of AutoCAD. Like if you want to trim a single line, here it's trimming in upper version of AutoCAD, but for your case you will not be able to trim that. You will not be able to trim this. Then what you have to do, just simply when your line is not dependent with anyone, just see here with this line they have a cross of that line, so you can trim that side or that side. But when you are able to select that and you can delete it, then what need to trim it? So in that time just simply select and delete. Clear?